Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear cache on your account on Snapchat, easy and quick. First, after you click on your profile icon, click on the settings icon here, and now here you'll find clear cache on account actions. Click on it and click continue, and it will be cleared, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.